welcome to my declutter. It's gonna be a makeup declutter. As you can tell, I think this is everything. No, it's not. I just remembered there's one more lip product in my backpack, actually. No, there's two, a lip product and a powder. Okay, now it should be, concealer. Okay, now it should be it. Alright, if you don't know, we're gonna be moving very soon. Should be max a month, not even. So I thought I'm gonna go through my makeup. I did also purchase some makeup recently, so let's just get to it. I think I'm gonna organize into categories first and then go through each of the categories separately. So let me do that. Okay, I kind of have it split into categories, and I'm gonna start right here with my, they're setting and priming, I think, to be honest, sprays. I have 3 of those. I tried this Shake and Glow and I don't really like it, to be honest, and I've had it for a while. So I'm gonna basically, I'm sorry, I'm trying to figure out where my camera is. I have no viewfinder. I'm gonna basically get rid of this one. And these are quite new, and I must say I have not tested them enough. So I'm gonna still give them a chance, and I'm gonna keep them. And let me just grab a new basket or a box for the things I'm keeping, just so I know that this is what I've already gone through. And I'm gonna put it over there. Alright, once we are primed, time for, I'll have foundation. So for me, it's like, it's the Misha Perfect Cover BB Cream. This is my favorite, my only product for the face really that I use, so this is staying. And I'm still using up this, it's actually an SPF 30. I had with my cosmetics. It's almost used up. I enjoyed it, but it was a little bit too dark for me. But these things are staying. And then let me do concealers, which I was almost sure I have a backup of this, and if I don't, that's a problem, because as you can tell, it's almost used up. So, but this is for sure staying. That's my only concealer and also my favorite, well, only liquid concealer. And I have this one also from Catrice, which I also enjoy for more like spot concealing. So they're both staying for sure. Then powders. I have quite a bit of them, to be honest. What do? I'm trying to be a bit more ruthless than always because we are moving. I have only one face, you know. But this one is almost done. Like, you can maybe tell that there's still a little bit down there. I'm gonna use that up, so it's staying. I'm for sure missing one. I just realized I am missing one. One sec, because I know where it is, and there's also more products there. Okay, found one more, and I found bronzer and a highlighter. Okay, so yeah, Being Ruthless. This Belle Give Me Perfect powder, I've had it for a while. I tried to use it up, but to be honest, I just don't really enjoy it anymore. So I'm gonna throw it away, and this puff I think should also go in the garbage. So that's done. I have this Catrice Powder Foundation. It's my only powder foundation, which I don't really use as a foundation, to be honest, but more like to cover some parts. Well, to add coverage to my face a bit, so kind of stays with the powders. Should probably go the foundations. I don't know, but it's staying. This one from Paese is Never Been Used. I don't know if the color works for me, but I only just watched it once. That's all. But obviously it's staying. This one, I think it's too dark for me. If you compare with like, okay, that one has nothing left. But if you compare with this one is way too dark. I'm gonna try it on my face once, and if it doesn't work, it's gonna go. So it's a maybe. This one just kind of does nothing, so trash it. This one is the new one, but oh no, I think it's equally as bad. Wait, where's my bronzer? Because this is looking ridiculous. Like, this is my god, that's my bronzer. This is not okay. I'm gonna try these both on. So these are both maybes. 01 and 010 should be the lightest. This Daisy, I think this, Belle Daisy powder should work. I'll keep it. And I have this one loose glowy powder, which is staying for sure. Okay, those were powders. Okay, blush. I have one like this, and I had somewhere this one. Why I keep them? That's a good question, but I do, and they're both staying. So that's a blush. Let's do highlighters. I have two over here, and then I have all of these. This is in a powder container, but it's basically this Kiko Milano baked highlighter. It's split from its pan, so I have it in here. I do enjoy it, so it stays. This one is a very nice, well, very nice. It's a nice everyday one. This liquid one, I've had for way too long at this point. I'm gonna throw it away. These two are staying. Again, they always kind of stay. So there's that. This is a loose one that I actually never tried yet, as you can tell. It's probably gonna be too dark for me, but I'll test it. And I have a new one from Paese. It's unopened. Looks like that, a cream one. I really want to try more cream products, which you will very soon notice that that's what I want to do, because I have quite a bit of them now. Okay, bronzers. Here I had also one bronzer. This one is staying. These are new. There's also the Paese from the same line, cream bronzer. Probably more of a contour shade, which I'm excited about. I also have a new one here, which is also like a cream one. It's unopened. I'm not going to open it right now. This is a contouring stick from Kiko Milano. I really enjoy this one. This is my everyday Eveline baked bronzer. This is... I apparently bought this. I never used it. I need to get on that. Also a loose bronzer. This could be a disaster. And a very new purchase from e.l.f. also staying. That's a lot of things that are staying. Ah yeah, highlighters. I knew I had more. This is a palette, which I love and stays every time, and I use it still to this day. Next, I'm gonna do the lip things. This one's unopened, stays. This one, is this the one that was like almost done? No, it's not. I'm gonna keep it, my one red one, and this one. I'm gonna try to wear a bit more lip products once we move. Right now I just can't deal with it. And more lip stuff. I also have this Kylie set that I bought a while ago, still haven't opened, so I'm gonna keep it. This is also like lip balm SPF 50 with a bit of a color, and it looks so pretty. Such a luxurious packaging. I still haven't used it because I'm like, oh, I need to take pictures. So how long have I been saying that? A very long time, but I kind of making like a box of things I need to make pictures of. And then these I love, the Honest Beauty ones. My favorite is Fruit Punch, and this one is Lychee. Fruit Punch is amazing. It's just like a very sheer, you can barely see it. I love these two. There's a new one from e.l.f. I'm gonna try out. I have never tried stuff from e.l.f. and they are now available in Douglas. It's like a Sephora, but I think it's European. Near me, so I bought some stuff. My MAC lipstick is Velvet Teddy. I got it from my boyfriend. I'm never gonna get rid of it. My one and only liquid lipstick. I don't even know if it's still good. For now, it's staying. This lipstick I love. It's like a sheer formula. This one is not a sheer formula, but I still worn it a lot. But I think, or is this the sheer formula? No, it's not. This one's a sheer, right? Yeah. Honestly, I'm gonna get rid of this one, I think. No, I'm gonna keep it. One red, I keep that one. And I have one Paese thingy, which is also staying. I must say it's quite uncomfortable on this floor. I don't know why I chose to do it this way, but oh well. Let's see. Okay. Mini palettes maybe first? Or, yeah. New one from e.l.f. I purchased. It's kind of like the Wet n Wild one. I kind of want to compare them. They're both quite cheap, but I just want to see it for myself. So I'm keeping them both. These ones from Essence. I don't know what to do with them. This one, the packaging is broken. I thought I'm gonna experiment with them more, but I really don't. But again, maybe once I move, I'm gonna try it a bit more and see how I feel about it. This one from Inglot I love. It's a great travel palette. This one is from Action. I don't wear it, but it has some good like basics. So again, to be continued. This one from L'Oreal. I feel like it survived all my declutters. And the retail price of this one is insane. I bought it on like a really good discount. But I think it's the same that I need to just wait and see. Because I don't know if I like it. This Paese one, it's alright. It can stay. One of my favorite eyeshadow palettes that I ever had. This one from Zoeva. This I kind of bought because I wanted the colors. They're not the best quality. And also it's called the Dreamer. Daydreamer palette. So I was like, okay, yeah, need to have it. I need to play around with it a bit more. This one is just a mixture of things. They're all staying. Same with this. It's not my best declutter ever, but oh well. I just need to pack these things away. So I thought I'm going to show you what I have. And then I have single eyeshadows. / one pigment, which I don't know what I was thinking buying it. A liquid one from e.l.f., which I'm very curious to try. This one from Alverde is actually quite nice. It's a very thin formula, keep in mind. From Wet n Wild, I love the Brulee that comes in the same packaging. If you're looking for like a beige nude basic, it's amazing. I went through like 3 of those. Kiko Milano has also some great ones. This one is High Pigment Eyeshadow in number 21. I love it. Like a one eyeshadow look. And then from Paese, the Foil Effect 300 quarts. Also quite great. I do like my neutrals. So the colorful things in my eyeshadows are not really getting used. So I need to reevaluate on a later date. From my eyes, I have 3 mascaras as backups slash to use next. This one I'm using currently. I know because I just peeled off the sticker a bit because they're the same. Lash booster kind of thing. I use it rarely. Eyeliner I have from like once a few years. I'm like, oh, let me try eyeliner. I do, and I can't do it, but it stays with me. And I also have this nude eye pencil, which I never use, but it's very nice and smooth, so I might still give it a shot, basically. And then lastly, well, actually not lastly because I still have nail polishes, I have eyebrow stuff. I have 2 eyebrow pencils. They look dark brown. Is that my color? Or did I take too dark? No, I think it is my color. Okay, yeah, let's say that I agree. 1 brow gel, which I haven't used because it's so clean. My favorite eyeshadow, well, brow shadow, eyebrow powder it's called, and brow soap, which I tried. It's not, yeah, I'm using it sometimes, but it's not really my thing. But I still keep it. So I'm not doing great with my decluttering, but it's also not the point, I feel like. And my nail polishes. Some of them are quite old, but I will need to try them out to see. Let's see, they mix. I will need to really wear them to figure it out. These are new packaging, so these are newer compared to this shape. I think I'll still keep them. Although this one, the Essence one in brushed metals, I love this one, but it's so old. Wait, it still looks nice. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna keep all of them apparently. So my only declutter things are 2 powders, a setting spray, and a liquid highlighter. And I'm gonna try these powders. And if they don't work for me, I'll see if it works for my mom. My mom has a bit of a darker skin than me, so I'll figure it out. Also, one of them, this red carpet, I think really smells like perfume. So yeah. Anyway, that's that. I'm gonna put it into into some kind of boxes, and yeah, I'll see you in my next declutter. This was nice and easy. I'm not gonna do my skincare because I don't want to do that, to be honest. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!